I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up payments on your Shopify dashboard can seem daunting, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to get it done in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify account. You will need access to your store's dashboard to make any changes. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the dashboard, scroll down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This is where you can manage all your store configurations. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payments. This section allows you to set up and manage your payment providers. Step 4. Choose your payment method. You will see various payment options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and others. Select the payment method you want to set up and follow the prompts to enter your details. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your payment details, make sure to click the Save button at the top right of the screen. If you forget this step, your changes won't be applied. Now you're all set to start accepting payments on your Shopify store. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the help center or reach out to support. Happy selling!